Right, we're going.
I'm going to miss them like that. Right.
Pull.
Ooh.
Pull. Whoa.
You couldn't have
If
gone
I had
for
two
it.
in, I was going to be
Hang on a minute, hang on then. Let's just stick another one in for you.
Kicking it out.
Pull.
He's dropped his standard.
Oh, you're losing your edge now.
I missed the first one. Or did I hit it with the second
Did he
shot?
miss the first one?
You missed the first one, hit the second.
He hit the second.
I thought you hit the first as well. No, he missed the
No,
first
you missed
one.
the first. Nothing. All you saw was the one shake shot. It was just a noise waking us up, disturbing the pigeons.
No, they can do, I think it'll go straight in then. I think, yeah. Safety's all the way.
Get one of the deacons
Right, let's
tomorrow
try and be
to skin
cocky.
him.
I'm just, well that's it, he knows what he's doing, he's got a pretty good stance.
Right. Pull.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh my
Hey.
goodness!
Very good. Good shot, isn't it?
You enjoyed that.
I did.
How many shots? Look at the smile. How many shots that so far? How many goes you had?
6.
That was 6 rounds on this one.
Do you want a couple more while you were?
I'm fine. See if he's
Well,
still
that's
on
all right.
foot.
And then we'll go on to the next. We'll go on to the next. Each
I'm
one will
going to
have
finish on a
extra shot.
high, if that's all
Yeah?
right.
Yeah.
Do that. Let's do